Hello, adventurers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your guide to the world's most intriguing destinations. We're here to fuel your wanderlust and introduce you to the gems of our beautiful planet. Today, we hop over to the captivating country of Thailand. Our journey begins with the majestic Grand Palace, a historical gem that has stood as a testament to Thailand's rich past for over 2 centuries. The Grand Palace is nothing short of an architectural marvel. With its intricate designs and awe-inspiring structures, it reflects the heart of Thai craftsmanship. Once the royal residence, it now serves as a symbol of the country's cultural heritage, hosting important ceremonies and welcoming millions of visitors annually. A must-visit landmark that embodies Thailand's rich heritage. Next stop, the bustling capital, Bangkok. A city that never sleeps, Bangkok is a vibrant blend of the old and the new. It's a city where you'll find 100-year-old temples sharing the skyline with towering skyscrapers. A walk down the street is a sensory feast. You'll hear the chatter of street vendors, smell the aroma of sizzling street food, and see the colorful chaos of tuk-tuks and motorbikes zipping by. But don't let the modern hustle fool you. Bangkok is deeply rooted in tradition, evident in the sacred temples that dot the city, the age-old rituals, and the warm hospitality of its people. Bangkok, a city where tradition and modernity harmoniously coexist. Prepare your taste buds for the flavors of Thai cuisine. Thai food is a unique fusion of flavors that dance on the palate, a balance of sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and spicy that's hard to find anywhere else. From the fiery tom yum soup to the comforting pad thai, each dish is a testament to Thailand's rich culinary tradition. And let's not forget about the street food culture, where bustling markets serve up an array of delicacies from morning till night. Imagine savoring mu ping, marinated grilled pork skewers, or khao nu ma muang, sweet sticky rice with mango, right on the bustling streets of Bangkok. Thai cuisine, a gastronomic delight that leaves you craving more. Dive into the crystal clear waters of Thailand's beaches and islands. From the turquoise lagoons of the Phi Phi Islands to the serene sandy stretches of Koh Samui, each beach tells a tale of tropical bliss. The islands, too, are a treasure trove of nature's bounty, with stunning seascapes and vibrant marine life. Whether you're sunbathing in Phuket or snorkeling in Similan, you're sure to be captivated. Experience paradise on earth in Thailand's stunning beaches and islands. Navigate through the vibrant floating markets. Imagine shopping on water, where boats brim with fresh local produce, exotic spices, and unique souvenirs. Picture the bustle of vendors haggling, the vivid colors of tropical fruits, the tantalizing aroma of street food wafting through the air. This is where commerce meets culture. Tradition floats alongside innovation, and every transaction is a testament to Thailand's vibrant community spirit. Floating markets, a unique Thai shopping experience not to be missed. Step into the ring with Thailand's national sport, Muay Thai. This martial art, often dubbed the art of 8 limbs, has a rich history that dates back centuries. It's more than just a sport. It's a symbol of Thailand's cultural identity, deeply interwoven with the nation's history and tradition. Today, its popularity has spread worldwide, with enthusiasts and professionals alike recognizing the discipline, strength, and skill required. Muay Thai, a thrilling spectacle of strength and skill. When the sun sets, Thailand's nightlife awakens. The country transforms into a vibrant playground, brimming with life and energy. From the lively street parties in full swing to the bustling night markets offering a cornucopia of flavors and trinkets, there is something for everyone. The entertainment scene is just as radiant, with an array of cultural performances and live music that keeps the night young. And let's not forget the rooftop bars that offer panoramic views of the city's glittering skyline. Thailand's nightlife, a party that never stops. Feel the elegance of Thai silk. This luxurious fabric has a storied past, with roots tracing back to the ancient Silk Road. Today, it's made in a time-honored tradition, with silkworms yielding the delicate threads that are then woven into the beautiful material we know. Thai silk is a significant player in the fashion world, adorning runways and adding an exotic flair to wardrobes worldwide. It's more than just a fabric. It's a symbol of Thai culture and ingenuity. Thai silk, a testament to Thailand's exquisite craftsmanship. Travel back in time with the ruins of ancient kingdoms. Thailand's rich history is etched upon its landscape in the form of intriguing ruins. These archaeological wonders stand as testaments to dynasties long gone, each with its own saga to narrate. From the ornate temples of Sukhothai to the enigmatic stone sanctuaries of Phnom Rung, these sites offer a captivating glimpse into the bygone eras. They hold the keys to understanding the country's cultural evolution. The ruins, silent witnesses to Thailand's glorious past. Join in the celebration of Thailand's fantastic festivals. An integral part of Thai culture, these festivals offer a unique blend of heritage, tradition, and merriment. From the vibrant Songkran Water Festival, where the entire country erupts in a playful water fight to mark the Thai New Year, to the ethereal Loi Krathong, where thousands of floating lanterns adorn the night sky in a breathtaking spectacle of light. Then there's the Vegetarian Festival, a 9-day event filled with colorful parades and daring rituals. Each festival tells a story, perpetuating myths, legends, and Buddhist principles. They serve as a bridge, connecting the past with the present and the spiritual with the mundane. Thai festivals, a colorful spectacle that showcases their rich culture. And that wraps up our journey through Thailand, a country that never ceases to amaze. We've explored everything from the Grand Palace to the fantastic festivals. This is Traveling Kangaroo, signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more exciting travel content. Happy travels!